Wow. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. So guys, in today's video I want to prepare a very delicious, sumptuous, yummy yam porridge. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch this video till the end and enjoy this with me. It's going to be very delicious. Okay, so here, this is my tuber of yam. Man, yam is very expensive now, so I have my tuber of yam here. Here is my vegetable. This is Harmattan season, so vegetable is not very fresh in the market, but I was lucky to get this one that is like this. And this is my onion, pepper, crayfish in this blue container. This is crayfish, and this is the fish I'm going to use for the porridge yam. Palm oil, salt, salt and seasoning cubes. So guys, let's get started. So I'm going to peel my yam now. Though the rainwater will be dirty, Sha. I'll use only one. I will not use the two. Maggi. And pepper. Yummy. Yummy. I love you. I love you. See fire. Look at fire. Don't play with fire. Woo! Food is ready. And it's yummy. Wow! Wow! So guys, food is, Mama said food is ready. Yum. Our food is, will you eat yam? You don't want to eat, okay, sorry. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much, and turn on the post notification for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Mama say bye guys. Okay.